All right, so remember, the whole idea of this is that you have some manner of beaker or flask or whatever that is going to be producing a gas, and then you're going to go and you're going to collect this thing over water by bubbling it through water in some container here, right? And so, because you're going to be sending it through water, it can't interact with that water. Any molecule that interacts with the water is going to get stuck here in the water, right? So, if you have this container here, and again, you have this guy like so, any gas that you have that comes through here, because it's going to be interacting with the water that is here and also in your graduated cylinder or whatever it is that you're collecting it with. If that gas interacts with the water, then it's going to end up here in the water, and that's not what you want. You don't want it to dissolve in the water. You want it to not dissolve in the water and therefore displace the water. So you want it to be above the water so that it pushes the water down and doesn't dissolve in it. Because if it dissolves in the water, it defeats the entire purpose of everything. So good candidates for collection over water are ones that are non-polar. Ones that are non-polar, because polar substances like water, because water is polar. So collecting over water demands that it is a non-polar substance. So, taking a look here, right off the bat, you should tell that hydrogen is your best answer. Why? Because HF has H bonding capability. This guy's got OH, so he's got H bonding capability as well. NH3, NH, yes, is also H bonding capability. All of these guys like water. They like water because all of these guys are polar. And not just polar, they are superpolar. So because all these guys are superpolar, they are not going to be good candidates because they're actually going to dissolve in the water and not displace it. Hydrogen is the only one here that is non-polar. And so consequently, when you put that guy in the water, it's not going to like the water and it'll push the water away. So your hydrogen is your right choice.